Okay, that little extra resin that I was talking about, that I was scraping off the pan, that's what I ended up using it for. I decided to go ahead and fill in the gap that was in here that separated it and made it look like the two-piece. So I figured I'd go in and try to blend that in to hold that one piece, make it look like it's one piece. And this here is what it's turning out like. I was gonna remove the screws, but I'm gonna just leave them in place to just hold it a little bit better. But I'm gonna get these knocked down and then we'll get on the bumpers. Maybe there's enough light out here still to see it. I'm gonna have to hook up the light. That's how it's coming. This is how it's shaping up. A little bit of Bondo over that, a couple other little pits and dings. Like that. Part4.